Guys, what's up and welcome back to Beauty by Faye. It's your girl Fewani, and today I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful multicolored eyeshadow look. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I really enjoyed making it. So if you guys are new here, make sure you hit that like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I post on Mondays and Thursdays. Make sure you come back and check out my channel on Monday and Thursdays. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching.
Worldwide, baby. Jenny, taking this one worldwide.
So as you guys can see, I already went ahead and started working on this eye. So I'm going to continue on and start working on this eye. For this look, I'm using my James Charles palette, and I am going to apply the white over my concealer base. So I'm starting off this look with this dark purple right at the bottom here, and I am going to just start applying this shadow. I've already started here, but I'm switching out the brush, and I'm applying this just above my crease. And I'm going to add a touch of black to intensify the purple. So the next shade I'm going to apply is this dark orange shade, and I'm going to just use that dark orange shade to blend out the edge of the purple. Then the next shade I'm going into is I'm going to be mixing a little bit of this orange right here and a little bit of the yellow. And I'm going to just blend out the edge of the orange. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using the Becca concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the edge of the concealer with my concealer brush. Now I'm going to go back in and pack this purple eyeshadow onto the corners of my crease. And now I'm going to go in using the pink, this dark shade of pink, right next to the purple, and I'm just going to pat this on before I start blending it out. I'm going to be using a little blending brush and blend out this pink a little bit. Now for the next color, I'm going to be going in with this orange shade, and I'm mixing a bit of the orange with this yellow. So I'm going to go over this orange and yellow with a little bit of this darker orange, and I'm just going to pop that on right there. So for the next color, I will be using this green right here, and I'm just gonna put it right next to the orange look. And now I'm going to just dust a little bit of this yellow onto the green just to soften it a little bit. So now I'm going to be switching my palette, and I'm going to go into the Morphe 35B palette. So this shimmery pink, I'm going to be taking it and going right into the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm just gonna place that right there. And then I'm going to go back into the purple from my James Charles palette from Morphe, and I'm just gonna take a little tiny brush, and I'm going to go over the line at the top. Just to sharpen up the cut crease. And then I'm going to take a little bit of black using that same brush, and just run it over that line. I'm going to be using the Wonderproof 24-hour waterproof color liner from Rimmel London, and it looks like this. Let me shake it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and coat my lashes with the CoverGirl lash from Maybelline New York, and this is in black. Alright guys, so I went ahead and applied my foundation. I did a little bit of contouring. So if you guys are interested to see how I contour my face, I will put the link of the video in the description down below, so make sure you go and check that out. So I'm going to be finishing up the eyes using the same purple that I use for the upper lid, and I'm going to be putting it underneath my waterline. And I'm going to add a little bit of this pink right below there, and I'm going to just use this pink and blend out the purple. Add a little bit of shimmer to my inner tear duct. I'm going to finish off the eyes using a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush, and I'm using this eyeshadow palette as my blush from Juvia's Place, and I'm using the pink shade. Add a little bit of highlighter, and I'm using my highlighter from Juvia's Place, and it's called the Heroin Glow. I'm going to be using some lipstick from Stella. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial. If you have made it to the end, make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Make sure you come back on Mondays and Thursdays to check out when I upload a new video, because that's when I upload new videos. Sometimes I plan to upload in between, so always come back and check. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, stay beautiful.